Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So let's prepare this delicious recipe today, which is an Indian dessert. It's the Paneer Kheer that I'm going to prepare. So let's begin. Grate some paneer, and I'm using nice good thick paneer for this recipe. So paneer is low in carb and has good amount of protein and fat in it. That makes it a good ingredient for this recipe. I'm using some cardamom to add good taste and flavor in this kheer. So I like to use fresh cardamom powder. So that's the reason I'm using this small little stone grinder and making powder. I'm placing a wok on the gas and adding some ghee in this. Add the paneer, grated paneer. And I've mentioned all the ingredients and their measurements down below in the description box, so you can refer to it. I've also mentioned the macros of this recipe. So give it a nice good stir. Add the cardamom powder. Add some strands of saffron. And I'm adding nutmeg. Grate some nutmeg powder. So all these fresh flavors are going to add to the taste of this kheer. Add stevia. It's a natural sweetener and will add good sweet taste to this dish. So add some chironji seeds to this. This will give a very good nutty flavor to this. Let the paneer cook for some time, around 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. After it is cooked, put the gas off and let it cool for some time. So once it cools down, add the cream, and I've used nice good thick full fat cream. So you can have this as it is, or you can also add whey in this. I've used half scoop of whey isolate powder, and give it a good shake in the shaker so that there are no lumps formed, and then add it into this dish. Add some nuts into this. I've used almonds and pistas. So adding the whey isolate into this recipe will add to the protein content of this dessert, and since protein whey are made of many flavors, it will also add good taste and flavor to this dessert. So give it a nice good stir and your dish is ready. So just serve it and refrigerate it for some time and serve it chilled. You'll definitely enjoy having this dessert. So do try this recipe of mine and let me know how you liked it. So this is my recipe of the Paneer Kheer. It's an Indian dessert, so definitely every Indian will enjoy relishing this dish. And it makes it a complete healthy dessert with good amount of protein, fat and minimal amount of carbohydrate. So do subscribe to my channel because I'll be coming up with more such interesting recipes on my channel.